and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about risk and return calculations. Some more analysis is available. Here I'll be telling you about different tests and methods that you can use to develop a portfolio of Frontier. So we have chosen two assets, two stocks. One is Apple, the other is Facebook stock, and they range from 2 years time period from 19th October 2019 to 17th December in 2017. I mean, there are around 24 values or 23 values in this data set. So the monthly data has been taken, the average returns or the overall returns for the month have been calculated for both the stocks, and now we try to find out different results based on this data. So the first thing is to find out the mean value for Apple, and the mean value of returns is 1.51, and the formula is equals to average to select the values. Similarly, the mean value for Facebook is given in the same manner. So you get the R bar or the return of this particular stock overall. Then you find out the variance of this stock. So variance is equals to VAR dot P, and then you select all the values. Similarly, for the same one, we just drag this value over here, and we get the variance for the second stock, and in the same manner we got the standard deviation. To solve the correlation value, so we have to write down is equals to correl brackets open the first data set in comma then the second data set. In this manner we get the correlation between the two assets. So far we have been reviewing them individually based on these tests, and the data is showing us that uh, Apple has more return as compared to Facebook, while Apple has less risk as compared to Facebook. It is 8% and this one is 9%, and the correlation between the two assets is 48%. So now we decide to develop a portfolio for these two assets, and in the first instance we just consider the rates to be equal and the amount of money to be allocated equally between Apple and Facebook. So we calculate the return of the portfolio by taking these returns. So it is the formula is such that it takes the first return, this one, and multiplies it by the rate of this Apple, and then add it with the return of Facebook and multiply by the rate of this one, and we get the return of the portfolio. To find out the risk of the portfolio, we have to follow the entire formula that requires the weight squared values, and the overall weights should be squared. So this B31 and the risk of the first asset Apple. So these two are added together, multiplied with each other, and they are squared. Similarly, the weight of Facebook and the risk of Facebook are multiplied with each other and they are squared. Then we add 2, then the individual weights of these two, these this B31.5 and C31, that is zero point 0.5, multiplied by the correlation covariance. The covariance is received by multiplying the correlation value with the individual risks. So we get these individual risks as well again over here, and we take the square root of the entire thing. Without the square root we won't get the correct answer. So we got a standard deviation of 7.589, and this is how you get the standard deviation of this data. So just to cross check, so I have taken the individual weights over here of each value with zero point 0.5 plus it with the Facebook value return and zero point 0.5, then we get this particular bracket. When we drag it down we get all of the answers. So when I take the average of this, it should be equal to the portfolio return. Similarly, when I take the standard deviation of this, it should be equal to the standard deviation of the portfolio. So there are two methods of solving this, and we can apply either of these approaches, and then we just try to develop different portfolios to determine which one would be the best. So right now we got the two weights 50-50. Let's say we allocate different amounts to both these stocks, So we will calculate the returns and the standard deviations accordingly. So if I allocate 0% to Apple and 100% to Facebook, then the return of the portfolio is going to be, we will take the returns, these returns, and multiply by the weights like we did earlier for the return of the portfolio in this case. And similarly, we take the standard deviation, the same formula is going to be applied. Just this time the weights will be changed to 0 and 100%. Once you feed this formula, then you can just drag these values till the end. So this shows you the different combinations: 10% invested in Apple, 90 in Facebook, 20 in Apple, 80 in Facebook, so on and so forth. At the end we get the 100% in Apple and 0 in Facebook, and we get these different values. So we got the returns as well as the standard deviations. So now what you are going to do is to just select these values and go to the uh, graphs or charts section, and you select scattered plot of this data. And the reason that this is going to be actually going to appear like this, so this is a concave curve where the data is leaning towards two different sections. On this side we have the risks, and on this side we have the returns. So if you see, based on this data as well of the portfolio, so there is a point where the risk is very high, then it reduces to a certain level over this range where the amount was 50-50 or 60-40, and the returns are pretty high. But as soon as the risk increases, the returns again tend to increase. So there is a slight spot over which the risk is minimum. So all of these points connect, and this shows that at 7.58, somewhere over here, the return value is going to be the highest and the risk is going to be the minimum, the least amount of risk. And as you increase the return, the risks, so the return might be less or be too high. So similarly, the risk will also increase. So we just wanted to determine one spot over here that was the best spot for purchasing the stock. Thank you. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and you can apply such concepts on your portfolios as well to make the best out of your investments. Please subscribe my channel, like these videos, and comment on them so that I can make more informative videos for you. Thank you.